I'm loving this easy coffee filter jellyfish craft. Just think, you're going to make an aquarium that you don't have to clean. The star of this show is a coffee filter. So grab some from your coffee making supplies. We need water-based markers, and I'm going to be using a squirt bottle. You can drip water if you don't have one of those. And we'll be using just any sort of extra little doodads you have that are ribbon-like. This is bubble wrap. And we're either going to use a water bottle, or this is a cup from like pudding or applesauce. Let's get going. So to make our coffee filter jellyfish, I'm going to start by coloring 2 coffee filters with my markers that are water-based, because we're going to want them to kind of make a tie-dye effect when we wet them down. But these do not have to be a fancy design because the colors are going to smear. So we've put color all over these 2 coffee filters, and I'm going to take my squirt bottle and I'm going to just give them a misting and get them wet and let the colors kind of merge and give a tie-dye effect. Isn't that cool? Doesn't take an awful lot of moisture to get them going. You don't want to dump water in here. So this has just been misted. Now I'm going to let them dry, and I have to be patient so they're completely dry, and then we will go on to our next step. Our filters dried fairly quickly with a fan on them. Now we're going to put it together into a jellyfish. You can cut off the bottom of a water bottle, or you could use something like a little cup from pudding or applesauce, and this will be the form that's going to hold this in shape. We're going to push the paper over this, and that's going to be the body of the, I guess a jellyfish doesn't have a body really, does it? I don't know. So this is going to be the form of the jellyfish. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on here to make it stick on, and then while we wait for that to dry, we're going to make our tendrils that are coming down. Forgive me if I'm using the wrong terminology for a jellyfish. Okay, a little bit of tacky glue. That's a pretty funky looking jellyfish. I like it. You could make it in all shades of blue or something if you'd rather have it look a little more like it's an actual ocean creature. I wanted mine very colorful. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. And then we'll take the other coffee filter and we're going to cut it round and round and round to the center. And this is going to be part of our tendrils coming down, as well as these little ribbons that I had in my ribbon box. I'm going to take all of these items that I'm going to use that are going to come down from the middle of the jellyfish like this, and I'm going to hook them all together at the top. This is a piece of bubble wrap. These are a couple ribbons off of old packages, I think. A piece of lace. And I'm going to take them all together. Just use whatever you have. You could even purchase a roll of ribbon or something if you'd like. So I'm going to take a string and tie this together in the center. Oh, that's going to be beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to poke a hole in the top of my cup and bring the strings up through there so it will connect the tendrils on. And I'm going to use a sharp pair of scissors. Just poke down into the center here. You might want to have a grown-up help with that if you're doing this with a little person. See if we can get these strings up through the hole in the center there. There they go. I'm going to put a little bead on the top of here so this does not come out. Okay, with the string through here, I'm going to go up with one string through one bead and then tie this so that it doesn't come loose. There, that bead will keep it from coming down through the hole. And there we have our beautiful jellyfish. I love it. I'm going to hang this up on a mobile along with the fish that we made out of plastic water bottles. Isn't that fun? I think they're going to go together well. I almost forgot googly eyes. We can't do that. There we go. Wasn't this easy coffee filter jellyfish craft fun to make? If you want more fun crafts to make, come on over to welcometananas.com and join the fun.